No, he didn't hit it right.
She in a good mood.
Oh, nah, he ain't hit it right.
She in a good mood.
He ain't hit it right. She with a girl, man. She ain't hit it right. They start sucking each other's titties. That's why I don't even fucking with a lot of girls and shit, man. He ain't hit it right. He ain't hit it right. She wouldn't be gossiping. Motherfucker hit my shit right, yeah. It's like, yeah! I ain't got shit to complain. I'm gonna be with my other dog, too. Say like that. I ain't got no homegirls. I ain't got shit to gossip about. Fuck